With the badminton players there, paying for their coffee. At syempre kung wala mo yung shoes, they have available shoes here, guys.
If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news, and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.
Parking space, guys, napakaluwag. Ayan, guys, so syempre dili nato i-discover ang interior sa C1 na badminton court. So let's discover, guys. Let's go sa sulod. Yan atong bisitahon. Syempre wagi mo diri secured ang place kay gina-check ang mga gamit diri ni Kuya. Yan sa atong guard. Ayan. And pagsulod, pag open, bubungat sa iyo ang napakalamig na aircon ng kanilang coffee shop or cafe. Starring yung mga coaches natin dito. Kilala ko to, si Coach Nathan to eh. Coach Nathan, napaka-starring na Coach Nathan. Ayan. So dito, yan, may makikita ka mga ads ng C1. Meron silang TV dito. Fini-feature yung mga players natin dito. Yan. Alright. Okay, pasok kayo, guys. Pasok. Ayan, sobrang laki na chandelier. Wow, sobrang lamig dito. Siyempre gusto mo mag-coffee, guys. Pwede kayo mag-coffee dito. Yan. So the badminton players there, paying for their coffee. Yan. Meron silang pastries dito, guys. So. Ang galing, guys. Yan. So habang nag-aantay kayo sa mga athletes nyo, players nyo, pwede kayong magkape dito guys sa kanilang coffee shop. Garbage. So, ang daming ino-offer ng coffee nila dito. At syempre, while nag-aantay din kayo guys, meron silang massage dito guys. Gusto nyo mag-reset, mag-rest, mag-recharge, 50 pesos lang at for 20 minutes and 45 minutes for 100. Ayan. Dito sa massage center nila. So, dalawang cubicle. Ayan, dalawang cubicle. Yan ang tinatawag nila sit and rest. Ano ba? Sit and rest. Ano ba eh? Sit and rest cubicle. Ayan, mag-relax kayo dyan. Okay, that's it for this area. Ang galing guys. Masarap magtambay dito sa C1 talaga guys. Ayan. And syempre, they also have high chairs for the kids. Galing. Dito kayo magtambay, guys. Yan, coffee, meeting. Sobrang galing. Ang saya. Sarap tambayan. And they also have a lot of chairs and tables. Pwede niyong pagpipilian habang nag-aantay kayo sa mga players niyo dyan sa labas na naglalaro. And syempre, hindi lang to first floor. Meron din silang second floor. Pero restricted lang. Ayan. Okay? Alright. So let's go sa mga courts nila.
Mag-error, isot ha. Mag-error, isot.
Ang napakalawak ng courts nila dito, guys. Oh. Hi, Megan. Yan, sobrang laki ng nila, courts. They have 7 courts, guys, badminton courts na napakaluwag. Kita nyo naman, napakalinis at napakaluwag ng kanilang badminton courts. So, as you can see, maraming naglalaro. So, oras ngayon guys, it's 11 a.m. 11 a.m. na kami dito. Saka marami pa rin naglalaro. So, syempre, open sila dito guys. Umaga. So, hindi ko na-ask kung anong oras, pero nandun sa kanilang FB page. Okay? Yan. So, syempre, wala nag-aatay kayo sa mga mga athletes nyo or atleta ka, nag-aantay sa next game mo. Tambay ka dito. Ang ganda ng chairs nila. Yan. Sobrang lawak and ang ano nila, napakaluwag ng distance bago mag second court or katabing court. Ayan, no? Para safe yung paglalaro ninyo. Napakalawak talaga. With complete lights, napakadaming lights, napakadaming ilaw. Sobrang ano talaga, liwanag ng lugar. Ayan, sobrang dami, guys. By the way, ito yung mga mga nilalagay nila sa gilid. Ayan, sobrang dami dito, guys. Ang galing. Sarap maglaro, guys, pag ganitong courts, napakalaki, napakaluwag. See that, guys? Hi, guys. Ito yung mga malalakas na mga players, guys, from private schools. Yan, syempre hanggang 7 courts, guys, ha. Napakaluwag talaga. Ang sarap laruan ng mga courts dito. Yan. Okay. So, may ibang ano din dito, guys. Parang pang special event to na chair or benches dito, guys. Yan. Once i-open nyo siya, guys, ipupull nyo to. So, ang sarap upuan dito, guys. It's like, okay, ang galing. So, ang nice tambayan talaga. Right, ang daming lights. Sobrang ganda ng courts. And by the way, yung courts nila, guys, is kinda rubber. Okay? Sarap talaga. Rubber talaga yung court. Ang ganda ng court, rubber. Hindi ka talaga masa-slide sa nila, sa courts nila. Okay? Here, guys, sa corner, no, sa C1 field, C1 courts, nadiri ang ilang canteen. So pwede mo makabayog any na food, ice cream, anything, drinks, and syempre na sila yung mga din, mga souvenir, alcohol, water bottle, and shuttlecock. And syempre kung wala mo yung shoes, they have available shoes here, guys, para sa badminton game. Ayan, klase-klase ng mga shoes. So, asa ka pa Pag wala kay shoes, syempre, dari na sa ilang canteen. They also have rockets and they also have water bottles. Palagyan. Yan, Gatorade, syempre. Dagan Gatorade, water, Cali, and everything. You know guys, na atay canteen diri. So kung di mo gusto dito sa aircon na part, we have canteen here sa likod, bandang corner. And paglabas nyo dito, merong canteen na iba't ibang ino-offer din nila dito guys. Yan, maraming upuan at saka tables. And eto yung canteen nila. Pwede kang kumain dito kasama ng magbabarkada at mga pamilya at ka-athletes natin. Ayan. Ang daming binibenta dito guys. Pwede kang kumain. Mayroong drinks, chichirya, kape at saka mga ulam. Ang dami dito guys. Makagawas mo to guys, they still have another courts here. Courts number 9 to 12. 9, 10, 11, 12 courts. Wow, ang dami talaga ng courts ng C1. Ang nice talaga guys dito. Alright. Yan, so magkita-kita tayo dito guys kung nakita nyo tong video na to. So nakita nyo tong video na to at gusto nyo na maglaro ng badminton. So please come here sa C1 Badminton. Alright?
If you find this segment informative, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest news, and share this broadcast to your friends and family. Your support helps us keep you informed. Help us get our first 10,000 subscribers. Your engagement matters. Liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content not only helps more people discover the important stories we bring you, but also supports our team's hard work. It boosts our visibility in the algorithm, making it easier for others to find ways to stay informed. Thank you for being part of our community.